So are you not being able to see the add friend button next to the profile you are trying to add on Snapchat? In this video, we are simply going to discuss what we can do in order to fix if you've not been seeing the add friend button, and I'm also going to tell you why you've not been seeing it as well. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So what can you do if the add friends feature is not working on your Snapchat? In this video, we are going to discuss that. First of all, simply make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. Head over to your device's app store, in the search box type in Snapchat, and then first of all simply update the Snapchat app. After we've updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open it and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Now let's say that I tap on the search button on the top left hand side of the screen, and then I simply try to actually search for a certain person right over here. Now the way this works is that you would actually be able to simply tap on the add button on the right hand side of the screen in order to add someone as a friend on Snapchat. Now you should actually be able to simply do it by tapping on the add button. However, let's say that you search for a specific name right over here, and after you search for that specific person's name, and then you tap on their Snapchat username, and then if you tap on the profile button, and here if you don't find the button called add friend, then it is most likely that person may have actually blocked you. So if they have actually blocked you, there is nothing you could really do about it, because it is really up to them and their choice, because by default you would actually be able to find an add friend button. You want to simply make sure that you have the add friend button after you tap on the profile. If you don't have it, then it is most likely that that person has actually blocked you. However, if it is the app's bug, or maybe it is not loading up in all of the profiles that you're actually searching, then you might actually want to reset or uninstall the application. You can simply uninstall Snapchat and then reinstall and then log into your account again and see if that has fixed the issue. But if you're not being able to add a friend only to one particular person, then it most likely means that they have actually blocked you, so there is nothing you could do about that. We hope this video gave you some insights about what you can do if the add friend is not working on Snapchat. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you've got any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.